In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment through your Stripe account in just a few simple steps. Stripe is a powerful tool for managing online payments, and today we'll walk through the process to ensure you're comfortable and confident in using it. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Stripe account. This can be easily done by visiting the Stripe website and entering your login credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll have access to all the financial information and tools necessary to manage your payments. The interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the different sections and graphs, but don't worry, we'll focus on the essentials today. Now with your Stripe dashboard open, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner. Here you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating a variety of new items, including payments. Go ahead and click on it. Immediately, a menu should appear with several options. From this list, select Create Payment. This action will take you to a new page where you can begin the payment process. On the Create Payment page, you'll be required to enter some information. This includes fundamental details such as the amount you wish to transact, the currency you'll be using, and any additional customer details if necessary. Accuracy is key here. Double-check any amounts and account numbers to avoid errors. Now, one often overlooked step is entering your card information accurately. It's crucial to ensure that the card details match the card you intend to use. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, take a moment to review everything to ensure all details are correct. This helps prevent any issues or processing delays later on. After carefully checking your information, it's time to finalize the transaction. Go ahead and click the Submit button. Once you do, Stripe will process the payment. It's a seamless process, but make sure your internet connection is stable during this time to avoid any disruptions. Should you experience any issues, Stripe's support team is generally very helpful and can assist with troubleshooting. And there you have it. You've successfully created a payment in Stripe. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, Stripe is designed to simplify the process of handling online transactions, and mastering these steps can significantly streamline how you manage payments for your business or personal needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more equipped to handle Stripe payments confidently. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your finances online effectively. Until next time, happy transacting.